the camera. Bro, I don't know what it was doing, but I've never seen that shit before. Oh my, twin turbos? Bro, there's so many cars in here, it's crazy. Shit, guys, look at it. I just ran into the homie. He's wearing the hoodie and in the shirt. He's repping it all, bro. Look at that. I didn't know.
Yo, someone call fire truck. Oh shit, I can see the fucking flame. Oh, it's burning.
Okay, fuck it. I don't
Fuck
know.
it. Right there. Fuck. Close it after. Don't slam it.
I was going like one, I didn't even know. Fourth gear? The whole interior just
You
bursted.
left so much smoke behind.
Dude, I'm probably over 1,000 people. It looked like over 1,000 people. It looked insane, dude. Shout out to everyone who pulled up. That was freaking awesome. But it was a sick turnout. I'm glad everyone pulled up. I'm glad everyone had a good time. I'm glad it turned out good. No cops. It was good, bro. Holy crap, bro. Now the GTR is coming along. Dude, it literally looks like a whole completely different GTR now. New wrap, new lip, the wheels, the tires, the side skirts, all this carbon stuff. Oh my God, bro. Shit. Later, bro. It's gone, guys. I literally sold it. Oh. Honestly, guys, at this moment, it doesn't even seem real. Like, I don't even believe I sold it yet. I hope I don't regret it, bro. I hope it wasn't a mistake. I just can't believe it. I didn't think this video would ever happen. Like, it feels like a dream right now, bro. Like, what? I thought I would never sell that car.
Nick, stop, Nick.
It's so fun, you can't run.
Son, oh my God.
It's so fun, bro.
Oh, it's not.
It's like a rocket.
I don't want to go in a fucking rocket. Who the fuck wants to go on a rocket? That's scary, Nick. Ah! Oh my God. Seriously? The gas tank, isn't the gas tank right there by it? Nick, this could literally blow up. Ah! Oh my God. Oh God. Oh Jesus, oh God. Ah!
That feels so
Oh my
fun.
God, that was not fun. No.
Mom, relax. Somebody got hit, bro, 100%. Yeah, that's why I don't come to these things, guys. Sketch, bro. Oh my God. Hopefully they're good. Oh my God, bro. This is ridiculous. What am I even filming right now, bro? Somebody's daughter. Somebody's daughter, Oh my God. That was a close race. Good start. Look at, we're dead even, bro. We're literally dead even. 1,400 horsepower Viper, guys. Bro, it's like 3 times faster than my car. I'm about to get gapped so bad. Look. God damn, bro. Like, literally, if someone asked me what got you in the cars, I'd probably say the Fast and the Furious movies. So it's pretty crazy to be here with our cars now. Literally watching this movie when we were young. Jordan is crazy, bro.
my god, bro!
That shit feels so like weird.
Bro, it might be pretty fast, huh?
God damn. God damn. That's fucking so sick.
I told you, bro, it's like twice as fast. You gotta be careful, this helicopter's downtown.
Bro, I got water coming out my eyes, bro. Whoa! Bro, it sounded like someone died, bro. Bro,
You think my cops saw that? What do you think what happened?
I think I'm getting arrested, though.
There's so many of us. We're like in GTR heaven right now, bro. There's so many.
Fucking GTR.
Even behind us. Imagine you're just driving casually somewhere and you run into 50 GTRs like this.
Oh no! They're gonna get Nick because he's in the front. Oh no! I'll send this to you. That sucks, dude.
I was behind you. I just don't
I know,
understand.
I have a rear-facing radar in the back of my patrol car.
Can I see it? Like, see how fast I was going?
No, it doesn't lock in the speed.
Then how'd you see me?
Oh, you're tripping, bro. You're tripping. I'm gonna throw.
Feel me? I might sip out this bottle until it get hollow. Shit, I might sip out this bottle, just drowning my sorrows. Drowning my sorrows, be better tomorrow. Cause these broken dreams is as hard as it gets. My nigga died at only 25. I'm thanking God for letting me see in 26. Shit. Real shit, nigga. Nigga, that's real shit. Well, y'all catching feelings, I'm catching flights. Blowing flight on that overnight.